Developing the formula for surface area of a cylinder. You know, interesting thing is you did cylinders in grade 9. Yeah, so we're just going to expand upon this and look at this in terms of a surface area of a cylinder. Surface area of a cylinder. Wait a second. Hold it, hold it. A cylinder, if you think about it, it's just a can, like a can of soup, a can of corn, whatever. Okay? Think about what you have. You've got a top and you've got a bottom, which of course is, guess what? They're circles. Area of a circle is pi r squared. So if you got two of them, don't you have to multiply this by 2 for the top and the bottom? But now we've got this lateral. Do you remember what the lateral means? The lateral means the side. Ah, yeah. Lateral means the side. So what is the lateral? Well, you know what? If you cut this down here like this, it's going to form something really interesting. You know what's cool? Let's take a look at this. I've got this other beautiful, same guy. I got this other beautiful description that you got to see of what a cylinder looks like. Okay, have it right here. Check it out. Watch this. There's my cylinder. Watch what happens to it. This is really cool. Guy cuts it apart. Look at this. And check this out, which is really neat. There's your two circles, right? There's your pi r squared for this guy. There's your pi r squared for this guy. There's your two circles, this guy and this guy right there. But what is this? Isn't this the height of the cylinder? So what is this? Guess what? It matches going around the circle here. Well, wait a second. Matches what's going around the circle. What do we call that? Isn't that called the circumference of the circle? That's called the circumference of the circle. Hold it. There's a formula for that. Isn't that 2 times pi times r? It's not pi r squared. Remember, pi r squared means area. 2 times pi times r, which is this length right here. So if you wanted to find the area of this here, it's a rectangle. So you'd have to go area equals to length times width. The length, of course, is the height. Okay, the height times this distance around the circle, which is 2 pi r. All you have to do then is add this, add the circle, you've got the total surface area, don't you? Ooh, I like it. Okay, so let me erase this. Let me show you. I'm just going to advance this a little bit. I'm going to let this wonderful little video go. So kudos to this guy for creating it. Check this out. Watch this. This is cool. Check this. There's our cylinder again. Isn't that wild? I just love this. It actually just summarizes everything I need to do. Okay, so let's go back and take a look at this. Here we go. Perfect. Awesome. Look what you got. You've got a beautiful top, which is a circle, pi r squared. You got a beautiful bottom, which is exactly the same circle, pi r squared. So you're going to multiply that by 2. But now remember, here's the height of the cylinder. So there's the height, right? This guy, if you cut along this label, you make a rectangle. What is the rectangle? That's the distance all the way around here, which works out to be circumference is 2 pi r. Area, 2 pi r times the h. Length times width. 2 pi r times the h. Length times width. Add this guy to this guy to this guy, you're done. So what is the formula then? Real simple. There's the surface area formula. Remember what lateral means. Lateral means the side. I like to refer to lateral since you're talking about a cylinder. Oh, isn't that just the label of the can? Yeah, lateral label. Easier way to remember it. Okay, so there's your 2 pi r. There's your circumference times your height. There's your 2 circles. Ta-da! All right, so the next podcast here, I'm going to go out and I'm going to show you how to use this formula. Now that you've developed it, it's easy, isn't it?